Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. So you've heard me talk about renovation loans lately, but now there's a low cost option for renovation? So Freddie Mac, remember Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are the two conventional loan secondary market entities. Freddie Mac has unveiled a new mortgage product for homeowners and home buyers to pay for small-scale renovations through their mortgage purchase or refinance. Now we've known about renovation loans, FHA 203K, home style, there's all these different kinds. But now the mortgage giant claims that the flagship product, Choice Reno Express Mortgage, will save homebuyers and homeowners both time and money, as the single closed loan has no extra fees or interest rates on par with the current low interest rates. So yeah, the truth is when you do a renovation loan, where the rate might normally be 3%, you're going to be paying a 4% rate. So 6 months, a year from now, you probably have to refinance to get the lower rate. I guess Freddie Mac has been noticing all of this happen, and they said, you know what, we're just going to give you a low-cost one right from the beginning. So here's the quote from Danny Granger, who's the Senior Vice President of Client and Community Engagement at Freddie Mac. Choice Reno Express expands upon the Freddie Mac Choice Renovation Mortgages, which are designed to help address the nation's aging housing supply, support the need for affordable housing, offer renovation, repair, improvement, or refinance options, support increasing demand for cost-effective financing solutions. Choice Reno Express will help homebuyers and homeowners reduce their out-of-pocket costs by offering more affordable loan terms and using credit cards or unsecured financing when making small-scale renovations. So it'll be cool to see these guidelines and learn a little bit more, see when lenders come on board. Because remember, the large secondary market, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, will come out with something, and it takes a little bit of time for the lenders to implement it. Once they start implementing it and giving us rules, telling us how to do it, then I can give that information to you guys. Just know, those of you who may have caught your attention with the renovation loans, it's going to be a cheaper option or a less expensive option. I don't like using cheap. It's like Chinese drywall. If you know about Chinese drywall, that was terrible back in the day. Anyway, that's all. Cheaper renovation loans. Mortgage Nerd out.